Budgeting, often perceived as a daunting task, is fundamentally about gaining control over one's finances. For many, the word budget conjures images of tedious number crunching, deprivation, and stringent financial discipline. However, at its core, budgeting is about empowerment, clarity, and freedom. It's a roadmap that guides individuals toward their financial goals, helping them navigate through monetary challenges, prioritize their needs, and ultimately, achieve their dreams. By understanding the basics and breaking down the process step by step, anyone can master the art of budgeting. Let's delve deeper into the comprehensive guide to building a budget, tailored especially for beginners. 1. Determine your why. Understanding the underlying reason for budgeting is pivotal. This motivation, whether it's achieving financial freedom, buying a home, or avoiding debt, serves as the driving force behind your financial choices. When the budgeting process gets tough, revisiting this motivation can help you stay on course and resist impulsive spending. 2. Gather financial statements. Having a view of your finances is important. This means pulling together bank statements, receipts, utility bills, and any other expense-related documents. By collating this data, you'll be better positioned to discern patterns in your spending and identify areas that need attention. 3. List all sources of income. Your total income lays the foundation for your budget. Account for every source, even if it's irregular. This includes freelance work, dividends, or any gifts you might receive. By understanding your total income, you can more effectively allocate funds to different expenses. 4. List monthly expenses. Segmenting your expenses into fixed and variable categories simplifies the budgeting process. Fixed expenses. These are predictable, recurring costs like loan payments, insurance, and subscriptions. Being consistent, they're easier to account for. Variable expenses. These expenses fluctuate, such as groceries, entertainment, and gas. They require more regular monitoring and can often be areas where savings can be found. 5. Set financial goals. Clear goals direct your budgeting efforts. Think about your short and long-term goal. Perhaps you're aiming to pay off a student loan, plan a vacation, or invest in property. Having tangible objectives helps align your spending habits with your aspirations. 6. Adjust your expenses. The essence of budgeting is ensuring that your expenses don't exceed your income. If they do, non-essential expenses should be the first area you scrutinize. This could mean cutting back on dining out, entertainment, or luxury items. 7. Create savings categories. Paying yourself first by allocating funds for savings ensures future financial stability. Think of savings as a non-negotiable monthly expense. This approach not only aids in building wealth over time, but also ensures you're prepared for unforeseen expenditures. 8. Monitor and adjust. Budgeting isn't static. Life's unpredictability demands a flexible approach to budgeting. Regular reviews ensure you're adapting to life's changes, be it a raise, unexpected bills, or a change in living circumstances. 9. Use tools and resources. In our digital age, a plethora of tools are available to aid in budgeting. Apps and software can track expenses, categorize spending, and offer insights into your financial behavior. Leveraging these tools can streamline and demystify the budgeting process. 10. Stay committed and flexible. Budgeting challenges are inevitable. Stay committed, but be ready to adjust as necessary. Financial situations evolve, and your budget should too. Regular revisits and tweaks will keep your budget relevant and effective. 11. Consider an emergency fund. Life is filled with unexpected events, job loss, medical emergencies, or urgent home repairs. An emergency fund for rainy days can act as a financial cushion. Experts often recommend having 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses saved, ensuring peace of mind during tumultuous times. 12. Evaluate and celebrate. Regular evaluations ensure you're progressing towards your financial goals. Recognize and celebrate small victories. These moments of acknowledgement serve as motivation and a reminder of the benefits of budgeting. In the journey of financial management, a well-structured budget acts as a compass, guiding individuals toward their goals while ensuring they remain grounded in their monetary realities. Remember, budgeting isn't about restricting freedom, but rather creating a pathway to achieve greater financial liberty. As you embark on or continue this journey, embrace each step with understanding and patience. The rewards of budgeting are manifold, from peace of mind to the tangible realization of dreams. So, as you close this chapter and embark on your budgeting adventure, always remember the bigger picture, building a secure, sustainable, and promising financial future. I hope you have learnt something valuable from this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon, so you don't miss any future content about money-related stuff again. Goodbye.